Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. Now open your countdown. Students, we are doing our chapter number 5, that is division. And today we are going to learn page number 82. So students, now open your page number 82. Students, here is our today's topic, that is division, the word problems. Okay students, today we will learn the process of division again, but through our word problems. Okay, now open your page number 82 and word problems. Here is our first question, part A. So students, I am going to read the statement. Listen it very carefully. Okay, there are 12 ice creams with 4 in each set. It means that we have a number of sets and our total ice creams are 12, and we are having 4 ice creams in each set. Okay, but we don't know that how many sets we have. Okay, let's read the next statement. How many 4s are there in 12? So students, by this statement we get the point that how many 4s are in 12. By this we can get the number of sets. Okay, look at this. To understand that statement, I have taken 12 pencils instead of 12 ice creams. Okay students, now I am going to divide these pencils in the sets so that each set will have the 4 pencils, just like the 4 ice creams. Okay, so students, I am going to divide these pencils in sets 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here are my 4 pencils, so this one is my first set. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here is my second set. Okay, here the remaining pencils are 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means that this set will also have the 4 pencils. 4 pencils. This set is also have 4 pencils, and this one also have 4 pencils. So my total 12 pencils are divided into the sets, and each one is having the 4 pencils. Okay, now I am going to count the sets. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Look students, I have the 3 sets and each set is having the 4 pencils. Look at this students, we have divided 12 pencils into 3 sets and each one having the 4 pencils. Okay, now students, let's have a look on our book statements. Okay, look at this. We say 12 divided by 4, and that is equal to 3, just like our pencils, because we have the 3 sets. So students, we will write this statement as 12 divided by 4, and that is equal to the 3. Okay, now have a look at the ice creams. Look at this. Here we have the 12 ice creams in total, and each set is having the 4 ice creams. Have a look, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each set is having the 4 ice creams, and total sets are 1, 2 and 3. Here we have the 3 sets. It means that 12 divided by 4, and our answer is 3. Look at this students, we have learned the division method before. We can easily do this by the division method. We will take the 12 here and the number 4 after it. Okay, look at this students, 1 is smaller than 4, so we will take the whole numbers and then we will read the table of 4 until we get the number 12 or the number that is lower than the 12. Okay, so students, learn the table of 4 with me. 4 ones are 4, that is very small, I can't write the 4 here. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So students, I got my number 12. I will write the 3 by which I got the number 12. 4 threes are 12. Okay, I have solved my question and my answer is 3. So I'm going to write my answer in this statement here. Okay students, you can solve this question by this simple method, as we have discussed this method earlier. We have solved our first question. Next is our part B. Look at the students, how many 3's are there in 6? He is asking that how many 3's are present in the 6. Let's read the second statement. That can be written as 6 divided by 3, and you will give the answer 6 divided by the 3. Let's divide it by the simple process. Here is our question, 6 divided by 3, and you will give the answer. Let's do it by the simple process of division. Here I am taking the 6 here and 3 just after it. Okay, so students, I am going to read the table of the 3 until I got the number 6. So read it with me. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6. So students, I got my answer, that is the 2 here. 3 twos are 6. So I am going to write my answer 2 here. There are 2 3's in the 6. That is our answer. Look at the students, here I have the 6 markers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I want to know that how many 3's are there in these 6. So I'm gonna take the 3 pencils or the 3 markers in each set. Okay students, let's take 1, 2 and 3. Here my one set is completed. Let's take the other 1, 2 and 3. Look at this, my other set is also completed. So students, there are 2 3's in the 6. Okay, hope you got my idea. Look at the students, here I got the 2 sets 1 and 2. It means that 6 divided by 3 and my answer is 2. So students, let's write our answer 2 in this box, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. Look at the students, our next question is, there is a change in the same statement. Look at this, how many 2's are there in 6? Now we are going to tell them that how many 2's are there in the 6. We are going to divide the 6 into the 2 number of sets. Look at this students, we will write this statement as 6 divided by 2, and here we are going to write our answer. Students, let's try to solve this statement by the simple division method. Here I am taking the 6 here and the 2 just after it here. Okay. Now I am gonna read the table of 2 until I got the number 6. Read it with me students. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Look, I got my answer 6 by the table of 3. 2 threes are 6. So I got my answer and I am going to write my answer here. Students, let's do it with the markers again, and now I am going to make the sets of 2 markers in each. Okay, look at this, here are my 6 markers, and now I am going to make the sets of 2 markers. 1 and 2, here is my one set. 1 and 2, here is my second set. 1 and 2, and here is my third set. Okay student, how many sets I got? 1, 2 and 3. Here is our answer, that there are 3 2's in the 6. Okay, so students, here we got the 3 sets. So our answer is 3, because we have divided the 6 markers into the 3 sets, and each one is having the 2 markers. Okay, just have a look at these cherries. Look at this, these cherries are divided into 3 sets, and each set is having the 2 cherries. Okay, and total cherries are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So students, 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are also 6. Okay, next question is part C. There are 8 flowers with 4 in each set. Okay, we have the 8 flowers and each set is having the 4 flowers. Okay, and now the question is, how many 4's are there in 8? So we will divide our 8 by the number 4 to get our answer, and we can say it as 8 divided by 4, and next is our answer. So students, we are going to divide our 8 by the number 4, 8 divided by 4 to get our answer. So here I am dividing my 8 from the number 4. Let's read our table to get this number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. We got our answer by the 2. 4 twos are 8. So here is our answer, and I am gonna write my answer here. Let's learn this answer by our stationery. Just have a look students, here I have 8 sharpeners just like the 8 flowers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So students, I am gonna divide these 8 sharpeners just like the flowers into the sets, and remember each set should have the 4 sharpeners. Just divide them. 1 2 3 and 4. Here is my one set. Look at this, in this set I have the 4 sharpeners. 1 2 3 and 4, and here is my second set, and both of them have the 4 sharpeners in each. Okay students, it means that 8 fours 8 divided by 4 is 2. Look in the question, he is asking from us how many 4's are there in 8. So students, there are 2 4's. There are 2 4's in the 8, because here we have the 2 sets, and our answer is 2 as we have solved it by the division process earlier. So students, we can write it as 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. Here is our next question, part D. I'm going to read this statement for you. How many 3's are there in 15? Here we should have the 15. How many 3's are there in the 15? And we are going to count that how many 3's will make the 15. Let's do it by the simple division process. 15 divided by 3. So students, let's divide 15 by the number 3. Here is the division sign. I am writing the 15 here and 3 after it. Okay, so students, read the table of 3 with me to get my answer 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. Look students, I got my answer 15. 3 5's are 15. Okay students, here is my answer 5 and I am gonna write my answer 5 here. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So here in the question we have 5 3's in the 15. 15 divided by 3 and our answer is 5 as we have solved it. Look at this students, look at there. Here we have the candies and look at this. The total number of candies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Here we have 15 number of candies and look at this, each set is having the 3 candies. So the total number of sets will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means that 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next question is, there is a difference between these two statements. Read it carefully. How many 5s are there in 15? Next question is that how many 5s will make the 15? Look at this students, I have taken the 15 color pencils. Now I am going to divide these in the sets. Each one is having the 5 pencils, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is my one set. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is my second set. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is my third set. Look at this students. Here I have divided 15 pencils into the sets so that each set is having the 5 pencils. Now let's count the total number of sets. 1, 2 and 3. Here I got the 3 sets. It means that there are 3 5s in the 15. Or students, you can simply divide these numbers. 15 divided by 5. By this process 15 divided by 5, and here in this I am gonna read the table of 5 until I got my number 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Now students, here is my answer 3. It means that there are 3 5s in the 15. So students, 15 divided by 5 and here is my answer, that is 3. Okay students, look at this, we have solved all the questions by the same simplest division process. Okay students, hope this will be clear to you. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.